Nothing called. Here's Taylor Pierce. Pierce racing between the hash marks. Pierce about 30 from the goal. Pass left wing to Mastroianni. Mastroianni falls, and a foul is called. And is this a penalty? Should based off the position of where Mastroianni fell, this should be a penalty kick for Grandview. Yes, it is a penalty kick for Grandview Heights. Could be a massive goal in this game, putting Grandview up 2-0 if Tia Thomas knocks us in. It's Tia Thomas on Maddie Cook. Official talking to Maddie Cook at the goal line. She has to stay there until Tia Thomas gets the foot on the ball. Now she'll give a similar set of instructions to Tia Thomas. Clock stops, 27:45 left in the second half. Potentially a huge turning point in this game. With the Cats up 1-0. Here we go. Thomas. Yes. Thomas puts the Bobcats up 2-0. As the Cats get a huge insurance goal with 27:45 left in the second half. Here's Avery.